Hi everyone, today we're making pinakbet, a Filipino dish made of vegetables. I've always been asked to cook pinakbet in gatherings and events, so today I will share with you my recipe. So we're gonna have tomato, onions, and garlic, pepper, salt, and the main ingredient, which is the sauteed shrimp fry or bagoong. I love Lingayen brand. Shout out Lingayen brand. I will also have squash, okra, string beans, eggplant, fresh eggplant, soaked in water, mussels, scallops. I prefer to do seafoods today. Bataw or labla beans, bitter melon. So we're gonna start with heating the pan with some oil. I used canola oil. Oops, I still have my tag from the gym. Let's wait till the onion turn white. It's important to cook the aromatics really well. I can already smell the onions and garlic. It smells so good. So I'm gonna add in our tomatoes. We're gonna let it cook. This step is called sauteing. And we're gonna wilt the tomato until it's really cooked. And then we're gonna add the other ingredients. I covered my wok and waited a few minutes. So I'm checking now if the tomatoes are done. It smells so good. This step is called sauteing, or in Tagalog, gisa. I'm now going to add the bagoong or sauteed shrimp fry. I'm only using 3 tablespoons of bagoong, but you may add more depending on how salty you want your pinakbet will be. I am generous with my black pepper. I hope I'm not covering the camera so you can see. Later on, I am also going to add a little bit of salt. Let's mix all of these goodies together. I'm going to let it simmer and cover my wok. Wow, it looks good already. I'm going to add my vegetables in a few seconds here. I'm adding squash. As you can see, there's a little bit of green on the side. I'm mixing it, but please try not to overmix your veggies. Let's check how the squash is doing. How are you, squash? Okay, let's check. I don't think it's already ready, so we'll just let it still simmer for a few minutes. I am now ready to add my greens. This is my long beans. I think I called it string beans earlier, but it's long beans. Mix it, but again, don't over mix it. We are now ready to add the other veggies. Okra, one of my favorite. Mix them together, but again, don't over mix. That's why I'm using 2 spatulas or 2 spoons, big spoons, so that it will not be mushy when you mix it. I added the eggplant. As you can see, it's so fresh. I love the colors of these vegetables. They are not overcooked. That's why their colors are still intact. And we're now adding the mussels and also the scallops. We will just let it simmer for a few minutes. Cover the wok so that the steam will not escape. We are adding the bitter melon. Remember to smile when you add your bitter melon. That's what the old folks say, so that it won't taste bitter. And I've tried it many times. It's so effective. So I'm adding the bitter melon, mixing it before covering the wok. I am still smiling while mixing the bitter melon. This is effective, you guys. Just smile whenever you add your bitter melon. It's also important not to overstir after you add the bitter melon, if you notice, I didn't mix it so much. I just kind of moved the veggies from side to side. Just leave your veggies steaming, but check it from time to time to make sure that it's not overcooked. It's important to use fresh vegetables here. Wow, look at the colors. They are all so bright, so beautiful, and they smell amazing. I'm just gonna mix it for a few more times before I turn off the fire. This is my first time doing seafood pinakbet, and I am going to do this more often. Please also try cooking this seafood pinakbet, and don't forget to tag me when posting your finished product. My pinakbet is always big hit in parties and events, and I hope that you will also enjoy cooking this pinakbet that I shared with you. It is now ready, and we are now ready to plate and taste my pinakbet. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and push the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos. I hope that you will support my channel. And you can also contact me in all of my social media accounts, Facebook page, Instagram, with the same social media handle, The Canadian Eagle. I'm also in Kumu as The Canadian Eagle. Thank you for watching. Enjoy eating. Seafood Pinakbet by The Canadian Eagle.